This is Penny.
Hello, Penny.
Hello, Penny.
Welcome home, my dear. I've been thinking I'm getting very long in the bill, and I feel the time is right for me to retire the red band. Wear it with pride, my dear, for you are indeed the finest bird on the lake, as I know I was in my day. And let it be known that from this day forth, the red band shall be known as the Signet Ring. Look at us, sing of difference. Why everything in the dawn?
I always knew that my family was blessed with royal blood.
Oh, yes, yes, yes!
What?
I made it through Thanksgiving!
Look at him, on the center of a normal smile.
Look at him, from nothing to a paragon.
And as you're back on the lake,
Promise you won't leave.
you always have those hands to take.
Just believe in yourself. Don't be left on the shelf. Without a hope is dead and gone. Down and away, you're a swan.
Let us all give a round of applause to the cast and crews of HONK.
Starting off with a backstage crew, Elijah, Zay, Tina, Renzo, with backstage managers Miss Anne and Miss Maria. Together, the CIS Facilities Maintenance Team, headed by Mr. Sidney.
Tonight's music would not be possible without the talented CIS musical ensemble led by Miss Marie Vic Briones. Presenting our violin concert master for this musical production, Brian Troy. And a special round of cheers for our phenomenal seniors in the production cast, ensemble, stage crew as they bid farewell to their final year at CIS. Seniors, please step forward.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, presenting the cast of HONK.
Our elementary and high school students, singers and dancers. Soloists, Lauren and Marianne. Kian as the boy and Allison as the girl. Arian as the farmer and Miguel as turkey. Hannah as Maggie Pie. James as Bedwick, Joseph as Father Swan, Francis as Mother Swan, and Aubrey as Penny. Bullfrog, played by Santi and Dylan.
Thalia, Keiko, AJ, Zach, with Savannah as Dot and Andrew as Greylag. Grace as Queenie and Rina as Loba. Yi Chen as Henrietta, Rebecca as Grace, and Annika as Maureen. Zeki as Kat. Presenting the Duckling family. The Ducklings, played by Yeshua, Ariel, Abigail, and Elise. Hinata as Drake. Chloe as Ida. And last but most certainly not the least, Harrison as Ugly. Once again, this production would not be fully possible without the help of our generous sponsors.
Kandaya Resort, Nissan Cebu Distributors and Chevrolet, The Reef Island Resort, Abaca Group, Tom and Tom's Coffee, Trademark,
IDP, Country Fresh Meat Products, Emerald Green Diving Center, RD Pawn Shop, Gold Seas and Pen Bank, JCX Trading, and the CIS, PTA and Family.
Thank you to the production committee, especially those who worked behind the scenes in making this musical production a success.
We would also like to thank One Trinity Merchandise and Services for providing the costumes, and Black Plus Production headed by Mr. Jason James Dapper, with Lights Director Ms. Pauline Revilla for the grand lights and sounds tonight.
Our heartfelt gratitude to CIS parents, the PTA board, and our CIS admin team for their unending supports.
Now, let us bring our attention to the amazing individuals who helped shape this night. Starting with the Assistant Student Director beside me, G&O.
Thank you, Patrick. Thank you, Patrick, for being my partner tonight. At this point, we would like to thank our dedicated teachers and staff members, starting with stage design and backdrops, Ms. Jerry and Mr. Sacco, together with our design and visual effects.
Spotlight and digital operators, Mr. Ace, Mr. Carlo, Coach B, and video performance from Mara Gilbert.
Our vocal coaches, Miss MJ and Miss Janelle.
Assistant choreographers, Miss Belan and Miss Maffey.
Assistant Musical Director, Miss Gigi Toting. Musical Production Co-Director, Ms. Vanji Villanova. Last but not least, the person who made all of this possible, showrunner, production committee chair, and our director, Miss Joy Pierre.
And now that brings us to the end of our production. I hope everyone enjoyed our show tonight. Everybody, let us all say goodbye to the audience by saying honk together. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you all for coming and supporting the Cebu International School musical, Production HONK.
Good night, everyone.